Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to make some homemade biscuits. Well, I'm not going to make them, Kay's going to make them, and I'm going to stand here and try to film it and tell you what she's doing, being she don't want to say what she's doing herself. So let's get started with it. The first thing we're going to do is use some good old Pillsbury Best self-rising flour. So get to it, cook. Okay, now we always like to sift our flour no matter what we're doing. We just like it better, and it sort of puts some air in it, makes it, especially the biscuits, thinks it makes it fluffier and all that good stuff. How much flour was that?
2 cups.
2 cups of flour, she says. Okay, now just dig a little hole in the middle.
Pat it down so the milk won't go completely through to start off with.
Okay. Oh, we got some good old buttermilk here. These are buttermilk biscuits, by the way.
What is it, half a cup?
About half a cup of buttermilk. Okay, now because we don't have any butter that's already softened up, we're going to use this parquet squeezed butter here. I want 1/4 of a cup. Now she's going to dump that right there on top of that buttermilk.
And just keep adding flour a little at a time.
Now she's just putting flour in there on top of that buttermilk a little at a time until you get it to the right consistency. See, when I do stuff like this, I don't have the luxury of somebody moving stuff around for me and moving the camera for me. I'm just on my own. Looks like it's starting to become biscuit dough a little bit. Of course, now if you don't like Pillsbury flour, you can use some other kind of self-rising flour. We just find that we really like this and it works good for us, so that's what we use.
And you just keep adding a little flour, roll it around, fold it. That's what you're doing. You're folding the dough.
Yep, she just keeps folding it over, adding a little flour as she goes.
Okay.
Okay, that's starting to look good, she said. So now,
rinse my hands.
okay, now she washed her hands. She's putting flour on her gloves again so that the dough don't stick to them. I'm starting to pinch these biscuits off here. And now I've greased this aluminum pan here. Of course, she didn't drop it in the flour.
You can make them bigger. You can make them littler.
Now they're starting to look like biscuits. Okay, she's going to keep on going. She gets this pan full, and then we'll be back.
If your dough sticks to your gloves, then just Put more flour on your gloves or dip your biscuit in more flour.
And that makes 8. Okay, now I've got this trivet here, or little wire rack, whatever you want to call it, that comes with the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. I'm going to set them right down on top of it. And bring it right over here and set it right down in the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Okay, now we're going to come over here and turn on the power. We're going to go over here to where it says bake roast, and we're going to come down to 10 minutes. And we're going to go over here to the temperature. We're going to make it 350. And then we'll hit the start button. Okay, now of course we'll look at that in a few minutes just to make sure it's doing okay and everything, so we'll be back. Okay, now it's down to 9 seconds here. I'm going to look and see, and then we're going to have to cook them just a little bit longer. They're starting to brown, but let's see, so you can look a bit closer here. So we're going to cook them just a little bit longer, so we'll add, I think we'll add another 5 minutes to it, and then I'll be looking quite often just to make sure, because I don't want to burn them because they're looking too good. So now if you do this before it runs out of time, you can just start adding time to it. Okay, so I just hit the time button and run it up to 5, and then it'll blink for a couple minutes and then beep, and then you're set for the other 5 minutes. So we'll look back pretty shortly here. Okay, now this thing's still got a little over 2 minutes to go here. We might even have to add another couple minutes to it. We'll see. But, you know, not long ago, somebody was watching one of my videos, one of my subscribers, and they said, "How about cooking me a pot of pinto beans?" And I said, "Okay." I said, "I'll see if I can find me a hound bone back here." And I got a hound bone, but I can't find a pinto bean, a dry pinto bean, anywhere right now. So that's just the way it is right now. So y'all make sure you wash your hands and stay away from everybody and do more cooking. Watch more videos. So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now we're down under 30 seconds here, and we're going to fix and take these things out. They look pretty good. And so, if you get a chance, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll sure appreciate it. And thank you very much for all you folks that watches our videos. It means a lot to us. It really does. And so, in another 9 seconds, we're going to open that door and look and see what we got. There it is. I'm going to tell you, you know I've sneaked the peek already. And they look pretty good. There they are. Those are some good looking biscuits, aren't they? Now, let me see if I can get that rack out here. I'm going to turn the... Okay, now I'm going to take this entire rack out in that pan at the same time and just set them right over here on the table, on the counter. Okay, I'm just going to take my tongs here and try not to burn myself. Pick them up. There you go, that's some good looking biscuits, isn't it? Now let me show you something good here. Take one of these little biscuits here, in the middle. Like that. Take you a little butter. Put on it like that. Piece of tomato. A little salt and pepper. I'm gonna tell you what, I could make a lunch out of these. Okay, that's about it for this little video. Thanks to Kay, who showed me how to make homemade biscuits here from scratch in the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. And this is delicious. I hope you try some of these sometimes. And when you do, make sure you got you a good cold tomato out of the refrigerator and some butter. Put on one of these biscuits and you'll like it. You'll be glad you did. So till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Come back and see us real soon. Don't forget to wash them hands. Till next time, goodbye.